Hi, and welcome to the Holistic Parenting and Sleep Center. I'm so happy that you have found me and to have you here. My goal of my YouTube page is really to bring some tips and some awareness and some education to all the families out there who are tired and have children who aren't sleeping, or who are stressed because they have children that are having different behavioral issues like sibling rivalry or temper tantrums or bedtime battles or telling you no lots of times, and really just want to improve their life with their kids. My goal is to help parents feel empowered in their parenting roles, to help reduce all of these different types of challenging behaviors by understanding where they're coming from, and also by giving you really concrete information and tips about how to actually decrease some of these behaviors. I have my own practice, so if you find the videos helpful but you still need some extra information, you are always welcome to reach out to me. My email address is cindy@holisticsleepcenter.com. I'm happy to chat. I offer everyone who contacts me a complimentary 15-minute chat just to see what you're struggling with and how I can best help you change that struggle into your ideal kind of parenting situation. So I hope you enjoy the videos, and feel free to leave questions and comments on my page, and I will be going through these periodically so that I can answer questions for you. I look forward to potentially helping you and your family thrive, and maybe even working together someday.